If you are looking for a video editor who knows how to bring visuals to life, you are in the right place. With over 7 years of experience, I have worked on a wide variety of projects: Indian wedding, pre-wedding, color grading, text animation, motion graphics, real estate, wedding reels, industry tour, vlogs and more. Let's check out some of my past projects, from cinematic Indian weddings and heartfelt pre-weddings.
Lose yourself. Lose yourself in this love.
Professional color grading that enhances every frame. Want to write text like this? Or want images to roll over like this? Need a clean, polished video for your real estate or industry tour videos that present businesses in their best way? Being a cinematographer myself, I understand not just editing, but the art of framing, pacing, and storytelling. Let's create something impactful together. Ready to elevate your videos? Let's connect.